Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to publish your site on Squarespace step by step. I'll be doing this on desktop, but the process is similar on mobile. First, head to squarespace.com and click the login button in the upper right corner. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with a list of all your websites. Click on the site you want to publish. Before you can publish, you need an active paid subscription. Click on the settings icon in the left-hand sidebar. It's the gear icon, usually near the bottom of the menu. Once the settings panel opens, look for billing, then click on subscriptions. If you're still on a free trial, you'll see your subscription status here. Click through to select a plan. There are 4 options, ranging from $16 a month to $99 a month when billed annually. Choose the plan that fits your needs, make sure your payment details are correct, then click Confirm and Purchase to subscribe. Once that goes through, your site is ready to be made public. Now, with your paid plan active, click on Settings again from the left-hand menu. This time, look for Site Availability and click on it. The Site Availability panel will open, showing you visibility options. You'll see Public, Private, Password Protected, and if you're on an enterprise plan, SSO Protected. Right now, if your site hasn't been published yet, it's probably set to Private or Password Protected. Click on the Public option. You'll see a note saying your website is live and accessible to everyone. This is the setting that makes your site visible to the entire internet. Finally, click the Save button at the bottom of the Site Availability panel. Once you click Save, your site is live and the world can see it. After publishing, search engines will start finding and indexing your site automatically. If you want to speed this up, you can request a reindex directly through Google Search Console or Bing Webmaster Tools. This makes sure your site shows up in search results faster. Also, open your site in an incognito or private browser window to see exactly what public visitors will see when they land on your page. And if you connected a custom domain, make sure to test that URL too. Sometimes DNS changes take a few minutes to fully propagate. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.